inside the madhouse. Today we're doing Hot Wheels Monster Truck Epic Loop Challenge. Let me have a go with this. No! Eyes on.
Oh! Freddy, yours is gone. Bye bye, Freddy. Put yours in there. Okay.
No. Make sure to not move it. Do not move it.
Oh, yeah.
Now pull the trigger back, forward, that's it, move your hands out of the way. Hold the yellow handle. Hold the handle, that's it. Now press the button. Oh, nearly. Oh man. Finley's gonna pick it up. Fraser.
Yeah.
You jump out the way, let Freddie go there, never go now.
Daddy, remember that monster truck from the other one we did?
Yeah.
Like the one with the kinetic sand.
Yeah.
Can we do that?
It might work with it, but it's not a Hot Wheels one.
You hold that.
So right now, load them up.
Hold the yellow thing. Wheel.
Yes, we got one in.
Now,
The car won.
because the pot car. I want to hold it.
Oh, nearly.
They both. Leave it here.
Oi!
The dog
The car wins again.
Wait, that one was because my car isn't fat. Yeah, mine was the car and Freddy's was the truck. So I win! Yes!
Try again then.
Yeah. But you have to hold it. Now 1, 2, 3. Oh, they both
The monster truck almost got in.
Can you get it for me? No.
Line it up.
But you have to hold that. Because mine is a car.
Oh, I think we crashed.
Yeah, they both exploded like.
Put them in mine. Is it one's here? Is this one's here? Or that one's here?
It's just the monster truck that always.
Try the monster truck on its own, see if it'll land in it.
Okay. Now it's my turn to do.
Do the monster truck on its own, yeah? Wait there. You didn't do that very well, did you? No, right, let go. You can't hold this handle. You need to, that's forward now, you need to let go and hold that and press the button. Yes!
Finally, Betty gets to win. Alright.
Why you have that?
Alright, so now. Why do this one?
I see diamonds. Oh! The car was on here.
Oh yes, that didn't win.
Shall we try the monster truck from this set, see if that works with it?
I know how to do this one.
Because this is Monster Jam, this isn't Hot Wheels. Well, you go that one.
Cindy, you can have this one.
No, I want the big monster. I want the
No, that one's mine.
Yeah, but that one's yours as well.
You can take it, turn them all up.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, this one.
Let's try that one then. Fraser, let Fraser have a go first then. Put it back.
Oh, it's got sand all over it. It's covered in sand.
Ready? That one was very good.
Yeah.
Try again.
You.
I think that's too weighty, that is. It's a lot heavier. Feel the weight of that.
It's so sticky, the
Then feel the
wheel.
weight of that.
Yeah, this
Heavy.
is super light. This is.
That's why that one will work. So you just go to the Hot Wheels trucks with them.
This isn't that heavy, but.
So we don't, this one don't work with them, does it?
No, the top. No, the top went in. But no,
Fraser, the carding went in.
Yeah.
Fraser, the car just went in. That's not fair. We don't have a car. Then
You don't need either.
then.
Let's see if other cars work with it.
Tires. How did the tires? Finley, get all the cars we have.
The monster truck didn't really even went.
Oh, your cars.
There, on that one.
Ready, can I?
Let's have a look what Hot Wheels cars got in here.
Let's try this.
Oh yeah,
That's Hot Wheels one. See if that one works.
the front of this one can lift up.
Oh my. Oh my.
There we go.
So that's Hot Wheel too.
Let's focus.
Hi guys.
Look at this.
Like that. Try that one.
Yellow, I want a yellow.
You
Yeah,
can see the
try it.
engine.
This one's my truck, guys.
Yeah, the engine's probably gonna break on this one.
And there's this one as well we could try.
I'm in. You can have.
Oh,
That one didn't work.
try this one.
And next.
So this one doesn't work.
Yeah, because the engine broke down. Now,
Wow.
it went further than it was meant to go. Like all the other ones.
Now let's try again. Please hold on to it. We're going to try this one again. Here, put it. Ready? That one works.
Yeah, it went too far.
Whoa, good shot.
I'll just go all the way there.
Wow, that one flew over the bed, that one, didn't it?
Oh man, you lost it.
I'll find it.
It's the wrong way.
And the normal car.
It's the wrong way.
I can't.
Oh, hey. Don't slap me for no reason.
Put it. Here, look.
And now it needs.
Oh, and it landed on its wheels. It landed like this, guys. Like this on the floor.
Right, so what do you reckon to this Hot Wheels set? What do you reckon to it, Fraser? Thumbs up.
Let's try that all around. Let's try it that way.
Oh.
Thanks for watching the video, guys.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe.
Bye. Bye. No.